Hi, I'm off to Dick Lovett Bristol to have a test ride on an R1300GSA. Hopefully it's going to be my next bike. Well, if you're watching this video, thank you very much, but please don't forget to hit the like button, click and subscribe. As I live in South Wales at the moment, Dick Lovett Bristol is our nearest motorrad dealer. And this is my bike for the next 2 hours. I've decided to go down to the Chedder Gorge. Now this involves a little bit of motorway work, some main road work, and then the beautiful Chedder Gorge. Some motorway, some twisty but main roads, the town of Cheddar, and the twists and turns up through the Chedder Gorge. Please watch the video, Chedder Gorge up and down. Just had to do it. I've never been up and down here without traffic. Put some fuel in for the next test rider. I don't do a tech report on these bikes, it's just what I feel about them. And to be honest, I love this bike. Fits me like an old pair of slippers. The engine does have a little bit more power and more torque, which you can certainly feel when you're accelerating to overtake a vehicle. The look of the bike, at first when I saw it in pictures, I didn't particularly like, but now I've seen it in real life and ridden it, it's really growing on me. Brembo brakes front and back, really reliable stopping power. Don't like the look of this luggage system, but we'll have to sort something out for panniers. Switchgear right and left, pretty much the same as BMW have always had. The model I test rode had the blingy bits on, which I don't want either. So yes, I love this new 1300 GSA. Think it's going to be my next bike. Please hit the like button, click and subscribe. Thank you for watching.